Right Networks has been very successful over a long time, hosting QuickBooks Desktop. And with the acquisition of AutoFi and T-Pro, you're moving ahead into a broader area. Can you kind of share us a little information about that strategy?
No question. I think, this idea behind that animated those acquisitions was building a QuickBooks Desktop ecosystem, kind of an application-centric view, which is our customers and their clients need applications integration with QuickBooks Desktop. But I think it's opening up a lot of new avenues for us also. I think we're thinking more about trying to drive use cases, enhance workflows beyond what's today just move data from here to there. So we're investing behind webinars. I mean, you do a lot of these, Roman, now,
Yep.
right? So you're a relative new add to the Right Networks team that came through our Eccentric acquisition a year and a half ago now. So I feel like we're trying to continue to build not just our technology chops and the core technology that enables all this, which is really our roots. We're moving beyond that to try to better understand the needs of our customers in all that they do in their daily work as they're transitioning from transactional services toward advisory services. So driving thought leadership, webinars, security, application usage, data transfer, these are all topic areas that I think we're trying to explore increasingly and share with the audience, our customers and prospects, to enable them to be better at what they're doing every day.
Joel, as our profession transitions almost entirely to the cloud, where do you see Right Networks as a company, and where do we stand in the market today?
We see ourselves as the leading accounting-focused managed service provider for accounting professionals, firms, and SMBs, right? So I think that historically we're known as the hosters for QuickBooks Desktop, and that's a giant part of our business. So we have over 150,000 users, continue to grow rapidly, of QuickBooks Desktop in our cloud. We have thousands of CPA firm clients at this point, and we really continue to drive a breadth of offerings, for them, firms, pro advisors, and their clients, their SMB clients, in order for them to realize automation, higher productivity, and business improvement.
And I heard we have some unique relationships with some of the other top vendors out there. How has that helped us?
I think that's the accounting-focused piece, right? So it really is, if we're just an IT shop, right, there are a lot of hosters who host legal stuff and accounting stuff and who knows, construction things and people in healthcare and so forth. And I think if you're sort of selling servers and server time, that's interesting. We're much more focused exclusively within accounting, which means we have relationships, deep relationship with Intuit, with CCH, with Thomson Reuters. So the leading vendors in the space, whether it's accounting software, increasingly tax software, we have relationships with those vendors so we can deliver solutions in the cloud that we think are certainly best in class, and are supported by a combination of Right Networks and that application provider that make us unique.
What do you see as the challenges that firms are facing out there today?
I think we see firms sort of looking at two things for their transition toward consultative services. One is changing to some extent their business model, right? Which I think is not something we get involved in too much directly with Right Networks, but I'd say it has to be supported by technology, which is where we come into play. And I think that means that automation has to happen throughout their business so that they can free up time to deliver new services, right? Not do as many transactional services, deliver planning and business advisory services. So we look to technology enable that through providing cloud solutions that allow them to save time on the important but not value add pieces that they're trying to transition from and get them going onto data and new applications that allow them to deliver new services.
So Joel, as we talk about this transformation of our profession from being compliance-oriented to more consultative as trusted advisor, what's Right Networks doing to help our clients?
We're investing in products, I think, that we can put into our cloud that drive automation. So Transaction Pro and AutoFi are good examples of those, allowing data transfer to happen, and in general, enabling a platform, a cloud platform, which gives data rapidly to the users so they can put their brain power behind it. And it's not just delivering reports, but it's really enabling data availability, first for the rearview mirror and in the future, looking forward.